here's my latest project that I made for my niece Julia, so I will call this the Julia chandelier. It is really big. As you can see, it's 28 inches in diameter, and I haven't trimmed the bottom yet. I'm going to let her decide once she puts it in her house. But I wanted to show you, you will need a ring, a 28-inch ring. Let me show you where I got that. You will also need 6mm cord, and let me show you where I got that. You may want to do a screenshot of this. So it took 960 feet or 320 yards of cord, and once you have your cord, and the picture I showed you, that was 5. I ordered 5 of those. Then cut 128 foot long cords. If you don't have enough scrap cord to make pom-poms, you'll need to order more cord for that. This one is using 5-inch cardboard, and the smaller ones are using 3-inch cardboards. Just wrap around the cardboard. You can watch my pom-pom tutorial. So the 120 cords equals 12 sets of 10. So you have nine cords to make the pattern, and then you have the middle cord that the 2 9 go together to make this pattern. I hope that makes sense. So 12 sets of 10. Now refer to my tutorial chandelier pattern 1, and it will show you how to make this pattern. I believe in that one you only do 3 sets. This one you do the 4th set. Okay, good luck.